shadow in the dark left me with a burning heart. Summer comes and goes, they say, but with you, darling, it only stays.
I am finally back home. And it's currently almost 1 p.m, which is crazy, and I still have so much to do. But I went to the doctor. I had a doctor appointment. I had to check out my heart, and everything seems fine. But I still will get some kind of device to wear like for 24 hours to just be sure that everything is fine. I have so much to do, and today on the agenda is like the most important thing to do is to work on my client work, on my like print and pattern client work. I already finished one collection, which is great, and now I want to work like on a few smaller tasks, like few jeans, a few t-shirts and so on. So yeah, I will be making a technical sketch, then a print and so on. And afterwards I need to work on a sketch for my like hero page for my website. Yeah, I have a few ideas. I already worked on a few thumbnails yesterday, but yeah, I just need to take it further and decide which one I like. So yeah, let's go.
People sure think they know what seems best. Twitter to argue, let's give it.
I usually have like a lot of different tasks. They are all so different and so many different projects, the client projects or my personal projects and so on. And I really struggle like with planning all of this and having like a plan or a structure. I've tried so many to-do list apps, and I tried writing it on my notebook, but nothing worked for me because I'm so bad at it. I hate it so much, but I know that I need it. So I found this amazing app. Unfortunately, it is pretty expensive, especially perhaps for a creative person who is just starting out. And I love it so much because it uses AI to plan your day, your week, your month, and it's so amazing. So basically, I'm just adding a new task or new project to this app, and it will automatically like structure my day. All of the information that it's needed, it's like the name of the task, start date, deadline, and approximately how many hours would you like to work on it or would you need to work on it, and it will automatically plan your day. It will like decide what is better to do first and what to do next. And if you have like too much planned or anything, there is an extra icon that says it's past due date and you can resolve those problems and so on. But I've been using it for a couple of months already, and I'm so in love with this. But this app literally changed my life so much because I always know what to do. I'm so grateful that I found this app. Back to my client work grind, trying to make baby clothes look both adorable and technically accurate. The balance is delicate. It's 4 p.m. and I answered some emails. Then I finished, I think, 2 smaller shirts print, and I also got an email with comments to a baby newborn collection, and so I did all of the changes and I set it out. This part of my job is always like my priority because I've been doing this since 2019. I have a really good client whom I'm really like enjoying working with. So this is number one priority, always number one priority for me. But just to give you a feeling on what I'm actually doing and what is actually my job, besides illustrating children's book and making cute illustrations, I studied fashion designs. In case you wonder how I got into this business, this is how. So this is one of the prints that I did, and this is how it looks like in real life. Cute, right? I love it so much. They sent it to me like a birthday gift to my birthday, but actually for my son, and I can't wait for him to wear it. But it's like in the size 122 and he's only 104, so it will take time. He's way too small for that for now. How cute!
your place. Give me a double of what fate awaits behind the bars. Accuse the night, curse out the stars.
Yes, I know I burned my pizza, but it is what it is. It's currently 6:30 p.m. and I must say I wasn't that productive today. And I really hate those days. I did a few rough thumbnails for my website hero page, so I think I will take one or two and refine those thumbnails into more detailed thumbnails. Let's go. The thumbnails are pretty rough. I think I really like this one, so I will try refining this and this. I kind of like this as a third option. I do have more with desktop setup behind me, but I do not like them. I kind of was also thinking like creating this from another view. I will be at the same position, but kind of a little bit more from behind, so you still can see my face, but you also see my hair. And I want to have a bow in here with the wind in my hair, and like holding up the hand with my Apple Pen and like casting magic, so my illustrations are floating around. So it's kind of the same scene as here, but I am with my back to the camera.
People sure think they know what seems best. Too tired to argue, let's give it a rest. Can't pay no mind to what I just said. This is a safe place to lightly tread between your arms. I found the light, no gift or charm worth needing between your arms. For the
I'm pretty happy with my thumbnails, but now I think I will go ahead and add some color, try out some different color palettes just to give me the idea, so that I can, in the next few days, I can decide which thumbnail I like the most.
Save your place, give me a double of what fate awaits behind the bars. Accuse the night, curse out the stars. After they lock down the bars.
Because I finished my color thumbnails. I do have a favorite one, just guess in the comments which one, but I think I still will explore like more different colors of my favorite thumbnail, just because I want to make sure I have the best colors, and then I think I will try them on my website and see whether it works or not, so I will be doing that later. But yeah, I'm so happy because I did what I wanted to do today, so that's a huge hooray! Tomorrow I want to film a process of creating an illustration and just showing how I use Toolbox. I am pretty excited about it. So this will be tomorrow, and also just my client work. It is almost 9 p.m. so I still have time to get some things done. That's it for today. I think I'm going to bed and will be working from there. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.